Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. This video we will be present about additional managerial action. Group member name is 1. Ajeng Melena Sari, NPM 20752039.
Hello, my name is Andi Salmadia with NPM 20752041.
Hello, my name is Vera Febrianti with NPM 2752049.
Hello, introduce my name is Niwain Sindila Pratiwi, NPM 20752059.
My name is Rin Sentiayu with NPM 20752065.
The topic that we will discuss this time are number 1, allocation resource for strategy implementation effort. Number 2, policy and procedure that facilitate the implementation of the strategy. Number 3, use process management tools to drive continuous improvement. Number 4, building operation system and information system. Number 5, integration rewards and intensive into strategy execution. Number 1. Allocating resource for strategy implementation effort. Resource allocation is an activity in the mind management or activities that enable the implementation of the strategy. Noting hither strategy management and organization success more that resource allocation consistently with the priorities set out in the annual objective. The company ability to pull the resource need to support new strategy initiative and direct them to the right organization unit. Has a major impact on the strategy execution process. The funding requirement of the new strategy should encourage the capital allocation match and the size of each unit operating budget. Our organization have at least 4 types of resources that can be used to achieve desired goals. Number 1 is financial research. Number 2 is physical research. Number 3 is human research. And number 4 is technology research. Example, research allocation on Samsung Company. The financial resource owned by Samsung Company are used to carry out successful promotion, obtain experience human resource and improve product quality so that they are globally competitive. Human resource at Samsung Company can implement exciting ideas well. This can be sent from this product innovation in the global market, so that Samsung has been named as one of the market leaders for similar product. The human resource provider facilities and development of the potential employees through local specialists and the MBA system. Samsung promotes and explores the quality talent of the next generation among its own employees. Samsung MBA system is carried out by selecting employers from the rank of the section head and deputy section head, that developing them become leaders of CEO of the company.
Okay, next is policies and procedure that facilitate the implementation of the strategy. Tujuan atau fungsi dari kebijakan dan prosedur perusahaan dalam mendukung eksekusi strategi yang baik adalah sebagai berikut. Number 1, policies and procedure are guidelines made by the company to ensure that operational activity run smoothly. The existence of work operational procedure can assist employees in completing their duties so as to reduce error and omissions, as well as create a more efficient and well-managed company performance. Number 2, provide top-down guidance on how certain things need to be done. Number 3, help carry out strategy activities consistently. Number 4, support the creation of a creative work environment that can facilitate good strategy execution. Baik, selanjutnya ada manajemen etika. Kami mengungkapkan pedoman perilaku global atau prinsip bisnis Samsung kepada pemasok, pelanggan, dan pemangku kepentingan eksternal, serta karyawan kami melalui situs web manajemen etika dan menyediakan saluran untuk melaporkan setiap pelanggaran standar etika. Lebih lanjut, pedoman perilaku bisnis karyawan yang berfungsi sebagai standar etika bagi karyawan kami diterjemahkan dan tersedia dalam total 15 bahasa, termasuk bahasa Korea, dan diunggah dalam intranet internal kami. Perincian terkait disebarkan dan dibagikan di antara semua karyawan di seluruh dunia melalui pelatihan audien atau visual kolektif online yang ditawarkan setiap tahun atau lebih sering. Pedoman bisnis terpisah juga disediakan bagi pemasok kami untuk membangun praktik bisnis yang transparan. Next, policy and procedure on Samsung. Samsung support all suppliers so that they can comply with the code of conduct as a supplier and operates their business in accordance with applicable laws and international standards. Samsung manage risks by assessing their work environment, including sustainable aspects such as the environment and human rights. Samsung recognizes to strengthen mutual competitiveness and grow through continuous support for suppliers.
Here, I will continue the material, namely 3. Use process management tools to drive continuous improvement, atau menggunakan alat manajemen proses untuk menjalankan perbaikan terus-menerus. Management tools. The first, business process reengineering. The company is looking for ways to improve its operation, which sometimes have finding obstacles in executing activities critical strategy. The second, total quality management, to instill enthusiasm and commitment in doing things right from top to bottom in the organization. The 3, Six Sigma quality control. The approach requires good use of statistical method to identify and eliminate cause of defect error and those not one variability in performing activity business process. Total quality management Samsung. The first, customer focus. Samsung established and research facilities for global consumer, including 36 training and development center, 6 design center, 7 lifestyle research labs, and 7 product innovation teams worldwide. The second, total employer involvement. More than 70,000 employers worldwide are involved in research and development teams. The 3, process center, has its own production plants, which is located in a big city that can reach all regions more quickly. And the 4, continual improvement. Samsung continue innovate and develop product in quality.
Oke, number 4, building operating system and information system atau membangun sistem-sistem operasi dan informasi. Information system software that aims to convert raw data into useful information for an agency or organization through the results of processing data into information. Later decision making in an organization can be carried out in observation manner. Baik, selanjutnya information system. Information system can support the interaction process of a business entity or business with customer and supplier, and can analyze market competition. The existence of an information system can also support supply chains process between business, electronical, truck and train automation. Information systems are commonly used by large companies to make it easier for them to observe and analyze product and marketing data in a complete and effective manner. Okay, next. Samsung has a website as a place to provide information as well as retrieve information from customers. There are shopping and support features that help with company operation and information.
Okay, the fifth material is integrating reward and incentive into strategy execution. A reward for service provided by the company to worker, because these workers have contributed energy and thought for the progress of the company in order to achieve the goals that have been set. Giving reward is expected by the company to increase employee motivation and performance. Also, to stabilize good relation between superior and subordinate, so that the positive climate that is built in the work environment can make the employee loyal to the company. The rewards that company usually gives are: first, salaries and wage are the company obligation to provide permanent remuneration for employees who have give their power and effort for the company. This is usually is given based on the hours worker or the number of goods produced. Second, employee benefits from the company are in the form of pension funds, health insurance, and vacation. The amount is not from the good performance produced, but from the length of work or seniority. Third, bonus or incentive are given by the company as a reward other than the salary or wage provided by the company. Generally, sales and marketing position get bonus or commission because the target is achieved. The fourth, interpersonal rewards, such as company facilities. Fifth, awards are in the form of promotion as measured by the achievement of significant target in a row. Well, that was our delivery of additional managerial action. Hope it can be useful. Thank you for your great attention and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.